in O2 user composition, we're going to be looking at nested or composition. And as we can see in our data, we've got an address, and that too has its own subset, its own dictionary in here. And we also have coordinates, which has its own dictionary, so it's nested. So if we come back down to our class, we can sort of see this is what we're going to be modeling. We've got nested address and we've got nested coordinates. So the first thing, we can make a base model coordinates using float for the latitude and longitude, because these are in floats. We also have an address, which has the address field, city, state code, postal code, coordinates. We can nest in our coordinates, so these will be validated. Rather than validating the address as a sort of a dictionary, we're actually going to be validating this underneath the coordinates as well. So when we come to our user model, it's the same as before, but when it comes to our address, we're saying it's of type address, and type address has these definitions, and coordinates has its own model, which is here. So if we run O2, we see everything is the same. It imports and exports everything as usual. But now what we're doing is we're doing nested validation, and this is like a template of how you would do it. So coming back up here, for example, anywhere where, for example, this company one, you would do the same. You would have a nested model of address, which itself would have another measure of coordinates. So it's going one level deeper. And you could model all these fields and you could filter out accordingly. And you can also filter it by fields. And in the next one, we'll look at validations as our kind of base template for Python Pydantic transformation service.